ATI TEAS questions and answers. Question 1. After Amber Group 71 reads a passage about reading charts during the answer explanation review, which sentence states the main idea? Option A. Units should be ignored. Option B. Chart details help readers interpret data accurately. Option C. Charts are less useful than paragraphs. Option D. Trends cannot be shown visually. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because it includes the key idea about labels, units, and trends. Units should be ignored is wrong because the passage specifically says units matter, and charts are less useful than paragraphs is wrong because the passage explains how charts can be useful. Trends cannot be shown visually is wrong because the passage says readers use trends. Question 2. When Amber Group 71 sees details that a student rereads the same paragraph 3 times, yawns, and misses 2 simple details, which inference is most reasonable? Option A. The student may be fatigued. Option B. The paragraph has no main idea. Option C. The answer key is missing. Option D. The student has finished early. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because repeated rereading, yawning, and missed details point to tiredness affecting attention. The paragraph has no main idea is wrong because the problem shown is attention, not the paragraph structure, and the answer key is missing is wrong because nothing suggests a missing key. The student has finished early is wrong because the details show struggle rather than completion. Question 3. During Amber Group 71's answer explanation review, a passage warns that skipping directions can cost points and tells students to underline command words. Which author purpose fits best? Option A. To describe a historical event. Option B. To advise students on careful test reading. Option C. To rank science topics by difficulty. Option D. To explain how to build a desk. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because the warning and strategy are designed to guide reader behavior. To describe a historical event is wrong because no event from history is described, and to rank science topics by difficulty is wrong because the focus is reading directions, not science topics. To explain how to build a desk is wrong because no construction steps are included. Question 4. While Amber Group 71 outlines a passage that describes flashcards and practice tests by showing how they are alike and different, which structure is being used? Option A. Sequence. Option B. Spatial order. Option C. Compare and contrast. Option D. Problem and solution. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because the passage focuses on similarities and differences between two methods. Sequence is wrong because there is no step-by-step timeline, and spatial order is wrong because the organization is not based on location. Problem and solution is wrong because no central problem is being fixed. Question 5. Before Amber Group 71 accepts the claim that balanced review should include all 4 subject areas, which detail gives the strongest support? Option A. Science books are often heavy. Option B. Math uses numbers. Option C. A student who skipped science lost more points there despite strong math practice. Option D. The cafeteria closes early. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because the example shows that leaving out a subject can hurt performance. Science books are often heavy is wrong because book weight is unrelated to balanced review, and math uses numbers is wrong because that fact does not show all subjects need review. The cafeteria closes early is wrong because cafeteria hours do not support the claim. Question 6. Since Amber Group 71 sees the word infer in, students had to infer the author's opinion from clues in the paragraph. Which meaning fits the context? Option A. Figure out from evidence. Option B. Copy word for word. Option C. Measure with a ruler. Option D. Erase a mistake. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because infer means to reach a conclusion using clues rather than a direct statement. Copy word for word is wrong because copying does not involve reasoning from clues, and measure with a ruler is wrong because physical measurement does not fit author opinion. Erase a mistake is wrong because erasing is unrelated to drawing conclusions. Question 7. Given Amber Group 71 answers 3 out of 4 practice items correctly, which percent matches the result? Option A, 25%. Option B, 13.33%. Option C, 75%. Option D, 42.86%. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because 3 divided by 4 equals 0.75, and multiplying by 100 gives 75%. 25% is wrong because it subtracts before converting rather than converting the given fraction, and 13.33% is wrong because it uses the wrong comparison instead of dividing the part by the whole. 42.86% is wrong because it compares the part to the total plus the part or uses an incomplete setup. Question 8. If Amber Group 71's score rises from 80 to 92, what percent increase should be recorded? Option A, 12%. Option B, 15%. Option C, 115%. Option D, 13%. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because the increase is 12, and 12 divided by the original score 80 equals 15%. 12% is wrong because it reports the raw point gain rather than dividing by the original value, and 115% is wrong because it gives the new score as a percent of the old score, not the percent increase. 13% is wrong because it divides by the new value instead of the original value. Question 9. Suppose Amber Group 71 solves 5x plus 9 equals 54. Which value of x makes the equation true? Option A, 9. Option B, 10. Option C, 8. Option D, 45. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because subtracting 9 leaves 5x equals 45, and dividing by 5 gives x equals 9. 10 is wrong because it is one step away from the value that balances both sides, and 8 is wrong because it reverses or skips part of the inverse operation. 45 is wrong because it treats the constant or coefficient as if it were the final answer. Question 10. Using Amber Group 71's triangle diagram with a base of 10 cm and a height of 7 cm, which area should be recorded? Option A, 70 square cm. Option B, 34 cm. Option C, 35 square cm. Option D, 17 square cm. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because triangle area is 1/2 times base times height, so 0.5 times 10 times 7 equals 35. 70 square cm is wrong because it forgets to take half of the base height product, and 34 centimeters is wrong because that resembles a perimeter calculation and uses the wrong units. 17 square cm is wrong because it adds dimensions rather than using the area formula. Question 11. From Amber Group 71's measurement note of 1250 ml, which conversion to L is accurate? Option A, 12.5 L. Option B, 125 L. Option C, 0.125 L. Option D, 1.25 L. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because 1,250 milliliters divided by 1,000 equals 1.25 liters. 12.5 L is wrong because it divides by 100 instead of 1,000, and 125 L is wrong because it moves the decimal in the wrong direction. 0.125 L is wrong because it divides by 10,000 instead of 1,000. Question 12. In Amber Group 71's score set 58, 95, 55, 71, 76, which median should be reported? Option A, 95. Option B, 71. Option C, 150. Option D, 55. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because the scores are ordered as 55, 58, 71, 76, 95, and the middle value rule gives 71. 95 is wrong because it selects another listed score instead of the central value, and 150 is wrong because it uses a mean-like or added value rather than the median method. 55 is wrong because it is an extreme value or unrelated value rather than the middle after sorting. Question 13. For Amber Group 71, 5 review packets cost $10. At the same rate, How much do 7 packets cost? Option A, $35. Option B, $17. Option C, $14. Option D, $12. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because $10 divided by 5 gives $2 per packet, and 7 packets cost $14. $35 is wrong because it multiplies the two quantities and ignores the price, and $17 is wrong because it adds the new quantity to the old cost instead of finding the unit rate. $12 is wrong because it is 1 unit price short of the proportional cost. Question 14. Near Amber Group 71 cell energy review, which organelle matches the function being reviewed? Option A, mitochondria. Option B, ribosomes. Option C, Golgi apparatus. Option D, nucleus. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because mitochondria are the main site of ADP production during cellular respiration. Ribosomes is wrong because ribosomes build proteins rather than making most ADP, and Golgi apparatus is wrong because the Golgi modifies and packages molecules. Nucleus is wrong because the nucleus stores DNA and controls cell activities. Question 15. Because Amber Group 71 traces circulation and blood leaves the left ventricle, where does it go next? Option A, pulmonary veins toward the lungs. Option B, pulmonary artery toward the lungs. Option C, vena cava toward the body. Option D, aorta toward the body. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because the left ventricle sends oxygenated blood through the aorta to systemic circulation. Pulmonary veins toward the lungs is wrong because pulmonary veins return from the lungs to the heart, and pulmonary artery toward the lungs is wrong because that path starts from the right ventricle. Vena cava toward the body is wrong because the vena cava returns blood to the heart. Question 16. Although Amber Group 71 sees alveoli drawn as tiny sacs, which feature helps oxygen enter blood quickly? Option A, a sealed membrane with no blood flow. Option B, a small surface area. Option C, a large surface area. Option D, a layer of enamel. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because many tiny sacs create more area for oxygen and carbon dioxide to diffuse. A sealed membrane with no blood flow is wrong because blood flow is needed to carry gases, and a small surface area is wrong because less area would reduce gas exchange. A layer of enamel is wrong because enamel is tooth tissue, not lung tissue. Question 17. Once Amber Group 71 notices that carbon dioxide rises and breathing rate increases, which process explains the response? Option A, translation. Option B, negative feedback. Option C, osmotic pressure only. Option D, photosynthesis. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because faster breathing removes more carbon dioxide and opposes the increase. Translation is wrong because translation is protein synthesis, and osmotic pressure only is wrong because osmotic pressure does not explain respiratory rate control. Photosynthesis is wrong because photosynthesis occurs in plants and some microbes, not this human response. Question 18. Where Amber Group 71 studies genetics and one parent is AA and the other is AA, which offspring chance matches the expected result? Option A, 0%. Option B, 25%. Option C, 50%. Option D, 75%. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because half the offspring are expected to be AA and half AA in a simple Punnett square. 0% is wrong because AA offspring are possible when one parent is AA, and 25% is wrong because that would fit two heterozygous parents for a recessive phenotype. 75% is wrong because there is no 3 out of 4 pattern in this cross. Question 19. As Amber Group 71 reviews chemistry and water molecules form weak attractions with each other, which conclusion follows? Option A, ionic bonds. Option B, covalent bonds. Option C, metallic bonds. Option D, hydrogen bonds. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because polar water molecules attract through hydrogen bonding between partial charges. Ionic bonds is wrong because ionic bonds involve electron transfer between ions, and covalent bonds is wrong because covalent bonds hold atoms together within a water molecule. Metallic bonds is wrong because metallic bonds occur among metal atoms. Question 20. Under Amber Group 71's experiment testing whether light color affects algae growth, which setup is the control group? Option A, algae that are never measured. Option B, algae placed in a warmer room only. Option C, algae with different water and different light. Option D, algae kept under white light while all other conditions match. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because a baseline light condition with matching variables allows fair comparison. Algae that are never measured is wrong because growth must be measured to compare results, and algae placed in a warmer room only is wrong because temperature becomes the tested factor instead of light color. Algae with different water and different light is wrong because changing water and light prevents isolating the cause. Question 21. Between Amber Group 71's grammar options, which sentence uses subject-verb agreement correctly? Option A. The list of supplies were on the desk. Option B. The lists of supply is on the desk. Option C. The list of supplies are on the desk. Option D. The list of supplies is on the desk. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because the singular subject list agrees with the singular verb is. The list of supplies were on the desk is wrong because were does not agree with the singular subject list, and the lists of supply is on the desk is wrong because plural lists needs are and supply should be supplies. The list of supplies are on the desk is wrong because are incorrectly agrees with supplies instead of list. Question 22. Inside Amber Group 71's sentence, a nurse reviewed the notes before starting blank shift. Which pronoun should replace the blank? Option A, her. Option B, theirselves. Option C, its. Option D, hers. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because nurse is singular in this sentence and her gives a clear singular possessive pronoun. Theirselves is wrong because theirselves is non-standard, and its is wrong because its is not used for a person. Hers is wrong because hers cannot directly modify shift. Question 23. Through Amber Group 71's punctuation review, which sentence uses a semicolon correctly? Option A, Maya studied, because science was hard. Option B, Maya studied science, Jordan reviewed math. Option C, Maya studied science, Jordan reviewed math. Option D, Maya studied science, Jordan reviewed math. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because both sides of the semicolon are complete related sentences. Maya studied, because science was hard, is wrong because the second part is not an independent clause, and Maya studied science, Jordan reviewed math, is wrong because the first part is a run-on before the semicolon. Maya studied science, Jordan reviewed math, is wrong because the mark separates the subject from the verb. Question 24. According to Amber Group 71's grammar check, which revision fixes the run-on sentence? Option A, reviewing grammar before the quiz so familiar. Option B, she reviewed grammar before the quiz, so the rules felt familiar. Option C, she reviewed grammar before the quiz, the rules felt familiar. Option D, she reviewed grammar before the quiz, the rules felt familiar. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because so with a comma correctly shows a cause-effect relationship between clauses. Reviewing grammar before the quiz so familiar is wrong because the wording is a fragment, and she reviewed grammar before the quiz, the rules felt familiar, is wrong because a comma alone is not enough. She reviewed grammar before the quiz, the rules felt familiar, is wrong because the independent clauses are fused. Question 25. Beyond Amber Group 71's vocabulary drill, which meaning does the prefix sub- add? Option A, same. Option B, above. Option C, many. Option D, under or below. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because sub means under or below, as in subcutaneous, beneath the skin. Same is wrong because same is homo-, and above is wrong because above is super-. Many is wrong because many is poly-.